Oh, whoop, whoop. I woke up very late today. Didn't sleep well. Oh, so the birdies are probably going to be upset. It's almost noon. It's been, hey, come on, everybody in. Everybody in. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Hello, Caramel. Follow the bucket this way. Follow the bucket that way. Thank you. There we go. Hello, little caramels. Oh, dear. Got a refilled water bucket again. Oh. Hello, little peeps. Come here. Hey, who wants some pellets? Ow, 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 ow. Holy, gently, please. Ow, ow, ow. Somebody's pinching my hand. Ow, ow, ow. Oof. Oh, hey, you almost took my hand. Good grief. Oh, here, I'll get some more. I can smell birch bark burning. It smells really good. Yum. I know, I'm sorry, birdies. I'm out here very late today. Yeah, oh. That's so caramel. I'm trying to bring it up to your beak here, but everybody's in the everything. Come on, caramel. Alright, we're pouring the floor for now. Okay, let's see what happens this time. Oh, who's peeking out? Hi, who's in there? Shit. One rock. 2 rocks. And the door goes open. Wire. Good morning, everybody. Whoa, somebody just got shoved out in reverse. Hi, Ray. Hi, everyone. Hi, Ray. Oh, yeah. Aye, Ray. That was straight for the finger. Ow. Let's try that again nicely, please. Here you go, everybody. Ray, would you like to try some? Not... Miss. That was my thumb. Ray, that's a middle finger. You want that one? You want that one? That what we're looking for? That's my... Fucking ow. Shit. Buck to you too. Butt munch. Here, let me sprinkle some out. Ray. Goofy butt munch. I know, I'm late. You don't have to bite my fingers off. Now they're all happy eating out of the ground. Shit. There you go. Thank you, Miss Bird. You're very kind. I'm sorry for the food being late today. Oof. Fortunately, I recorded a nice video yesterday. Road, that's a little bit rough. Yeah, I recorded a nice long video yesterday. Ray! Keep interrupting my thoughts here. Jeez, man. Okay, here, let me pour some more down. That's my finger. Oh, everybody's hungry. Everybody's got the morning munchies and whatever, and hangry. Yeah, you're hangry. I get it. Ow. But back to the video I was trying to talk about. Ray, would you stop that? Good grief. Oh my god, you're a butt munch today. And there goes my... Ow. Ow. Fucking ow. Good thing I got welding hands, you know. Shit. So yeah, I lost the video from yesterday. It's like 8 minutes long at least. It's actually pretty good. Good gravy. Oh. Well, look, that's mud. That's not blood. Just mud. I'll grab you. Okay, let's put the food in the bowl. Beep, beep. Can I come through? Beep, beep. I don't want to step on anybody. Oh, beep, 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 beep. Ray, you're already barging in to get the food. I haven't even put it in there yet. My God, he gets hangry just like me. Start World War III. All over a bit of toast. Pellet toast. Whoa, hey everybody. They know what's happening. The food's coming in. Oh, we got a couple of eggies up here. Oh, this does not work so good with one hand. Oh, sorry everybody. There we go. Oh man, that hurts. Honk. I got your tail. I got your tail feathers. Honk. Yeah. Shove over, Ray. I gotta get the egg. Thank you, ladies. Oh, we got more up here. Oh, they're gross. We really need to get some straw on side. Ugh. Everybody, holy moly! Good grief! This is what happens when the food server is late. It's just fucking chaos. Ray, shit! You're a grumpy old man. Yeah, you're grumpy. You're a grumpy old man. That's why you live up on a mountain. Oh, good grief! Are you okay? Are you okay, Roo? Ray? No. No. You be nice. Hey, Sparkles. Are you okay? Yes. It's a bucket, I know. They're eggs. Oh, yeah. Now what? There's no pellets in there. No fingers for you to eat either. So just water. Fucking A, that really hurts. Alright. Well, there's not really anything else to see once I start doing the water part. So, thank you for watching. Might be something to see. Let's go back. Oh, hello, little bird. Where are you going? Where are you going? The gathering of the birds in the water. You're really silly. Very, very silly. Ooh. Is there ice in the pipe? Is there ice in there, ladies? Oh, yes. I think there's some frost. Bubbles for sure. Or did that just get smushed? Hold on. Did our pipe get smushed? Nope. Might just be a bit of ice in there then. It's getting cold at night now. Oh yeah, there's a little piece floating. Oh, hello. Your wing is all dirty. Look at that, you got dirty feathers. Poor birds. Alright, water's overflowing. Oh, goodness. Oh, boy. Hey, how you doing, Miss Chet? Ow. Whoa, falling over. Hey, how are my kitties? We're gonna need some water over there, too. Hey, can we see the babies? Is that okay? Can we see the babies? Yeah? Okay. Oh, hello, babies. How you doing? Meow, meow. Yeah, I love you too, Jen. How are they doing? Hi. Oh, you guys are getting big. Yeah, look at you. Hi. Oh. You got some dust in your fluff. There you go. Hello. Hi. How are you? Yeah, Mama Kitty's here. I'm so proud of you, Miss Jet. Such a good kitty. Oh. Hello. Yeah. We're gonna need some names for you guys. Roly poly. Roly poly. Yeah. You do roly polies? Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh. Hey, you can walk now. Oh, don't come out. Mama Kitty's not going to be happy if you walk out, I don't think. Miss Jet. The babies are wandering. Yeah, yeah, look, they're wandering. There comes baby. Yeah. Oh, I love you too, Jet. Yeah. Hey, baby, is this Mama over here? Yeah. See? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Oh, Mama's coming in. Oof. I love you too, Jet. Oh, such beautiful kittens. Okay, I'll let you play with your babies and take care of them. Bye-bye, kittens. Oh, hey, 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 don't come out. Oh, somebody wants to come outside. Hi. Hello. Oh. Hey, look at your hair. Oh. Happy googly bear. What's that? Yeah, is that a baby kitten there? Is that a baby kitten? Hi. Oh, boop! Headbutt the camera. Oh. Yeah. Gotta be friendly, okay? That's right, you're such a good kitty. Hey, good boy, Citrine. I'm a big googly bear. You're gonna help take care of the babies, too? Oh, don't come out too far, baby. You gotta stay warm. Ooh. Here, let's put you back in, okay? Come on. Up we go. I don't want you getting cold yet. Oh, you guys are well fed. Holy smokes. Mama Kitty's doing great. Bye-bye, kittens. Proud of you, kitties. Even Bear's been hanging out with the babies, making sure they're okay. This is great. Bye-bye, everybody.